What's up, everybody? Appreciate you all for joining the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. All right. I'm here for what? I'm here to inform the market of my strategy, and then once the market provides me my strategy, I execute. So my strategy is quite simple. Right now, this is SPY, right? And this is the pre-market for today for SPY. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the supply and demand based on where the wicks are at, and then once the market opens, I execute my strategy. Simple as that. There's a beautiful wick right here, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and mark it right away. And once the market open, what do we say? Go ahead and take our trades. All right, cool. There's a wick right here, as well as the high of the pre-market, really, right? It's a beautiful wick right here, rejection. Price came and just rejected it. So we're marking right there. We're gonna go ahead and also mark this one. It's also a nice, beautiful wick. Take a look at it here. Price came back down, it got shifted right back up. Also right here as well. Let's go ahead and mark that one as well. It's really, I guess, that simple, really, right? And as well as right here. All right. So these are the areas in which we're going to be potentially looking to see a reaction with SPY. And as well as, of course, in relationship to the VWAP, right? Let's go ahead and mark them real quick. Okay, and so it looks like SPY, as you guys can see, it's downtrending. You know, downtrending, came to this level and had a reaction and continued this downtrending, finally found a bouncing spot. So this is the first bouncing spot, and then this is the second bouncing spot that it found, right? We can also mark right here. This is essentially a zone, really. This area. We'll go ahead and duplicate this real quick. It's essentially a zone here, right? Here. Once the price or the price to come back here again. All right, so this is SPY right here. This is a quick marking. This is using the 10-minute, of course, the 10-minute and 30 minutes. All right, here we go. This is a quick bird's eye view before we go to Tesla and do the same thing. So, whoa, we're actually downtrending. Interesting. From a few days ago, from 3 days ago, we're just kind of, giving back all these run up. And this run up came from as a result of this day. And what is this day? FOMC meeting occurred, right? Market saw that was a good thing, and boom. And now it's cooling off. That's essentially what's going on. It's cooling off right now. All right. All right, cool. So here we go. This is SPY right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at, give you another zoom here so it looks a bit more close up. Let's do the same thing for Tesla. And then after that, we're going to sit back, we're going to relax and execute our plan. So right after that, we're already seeing a long wick here. So let's go ahead and mark this. Wicks are essentially like a reaction, like just a reaction. Price came to a level and it just reacted it, right? One of the buyers or the sellers reacted to that price level, right? To react to that price. Whether a seller found an opportunity to dump it or buyers got an opportunity to buy it. Essentially what it is. It's communication. All right. Cool. I'm also seeing a wick right here, which had the support right there. What else are we seeing? This is also a pretty good wick to keep in mind right here. Oh, it's also right here too, supported by this. So we can definitely mark this zone for real. It's definitely a zone. Oh yeah, it's definitely a zone. All right, cool. Tesla. This is the spot where Tesla came in the pre-market and just took off. So we're gonna be watching this level once the market open. Of course, this level right here. This is also a zone right here. Go ahead and duplicate this. Okay. Are we seeing major other wicks? Yeah, we're seeing this one. Oh yeah, this is a good one too. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Because this one also has support right here. Huh. Which is also very tight to this one. So it's kind of strange to me, ain't gonna lie. You know? It has 1, 2. Yeah, this is a good important level. I'm gonna mark this, guys. Just has too much, you know, it has like 3 wicks. Like, look at this here, right? 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this is very, I'm gonna mark this red just to really indicate the strength of this level. Right? So if it's above it, it'll react the same way, right? It'll go up. Right now it's currently below it, so I marked it red. All right, so this zone is some nice zone, and as well as this zone too, right? 1, 2. So I'm gonna also mark this red. All right, this is Tesla. This is how Tesla look right here. And could I mark this here? It's just a lone wolf here. So, oh, no, it's not a lone wolf. Look at this here. We got one over here, and it gets, oh, this is support. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that too. Ain't that interesting? Let's go ahead and duplicate this. All right. Oof, we got too many lines on here, but let's go ahead and take a look at the 30 minutes, see what it looks like. These markings, essentially. Okay. So we can definitely get rid of this. It's not strong. You know what I mean? All right. So we got 1, we got 2 over here. 2 times the price came and rejected it. This is a nice spot over here, which also, okay, these 2 are good. This one is essentially right here on the 30 minutes. Wow, it's also a very good spot. So we can just get rid of this one, really. This one doesn't have a lot of a... All right, perfect. And this is also a good one. Let me put this up here. There we go. I guess we can also get rid of this one too, huh? Straight long wick here. There's no need for this one here. Because each of these other lines, they all have line except this one. They all have wick except this one on the 30 minutes. Let's see what the 10-minute look like for that one. Again. Okay, so just one wick. All right. Kind of makes sense. Let's go ahead and just get rid of that. This is more stronger level than here, so it's fine. Perfect. Essentially a little flag, really, right? Price move above it, came back and ran out. I'll keep an eye on it, but as of right now, I'd rather just have this marking these levels a bit more stronger than the other one. All right, cool. This right here is our supply and demand for Tesla. So now we sit back, we relax, we wait for our opportunity, and we execute our plan. Okay. All right, here we go. We got less than 30 seconds right now. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. So right now, Tesla's not looking to open above here because there's just too many wicks here. Same thing for sorry, that was SPY. SPY is struggling to break above this level, as you guys can clearly see that. Is it going to break when it opens? That's a question. For Tesla, it reversed right here, right? Is it going to come back to this level and then have a push-up? Exactly. That's what we're going to see. All right, here we go. Open below the VWAP. They both open below the VWAP. So here we go. Beautiful move up for Tesla right now. SPY. All right, Tesla's approaching this level, so I could definitely look into a slight put here for Tesla as he approached that level. I went ahead and entered a slight put. Oops. Oops, I was a little late on the put. I was extremely late on the put. I was trying to place a put right here for Tesla. Very late on the put, so I got to be careful because I had a little technical difficulty. I entered a light put here, but I accidentally entered here, of course, for Tesla. Because I'm trying to enter with this. SPY right now is still too early for any direction. I'll also say the same thing for Tesla, but I want just to see a reaction here. And anything above this zone, I'll just be getting out. Really, yeah. Which we're approaching that. Oops, that's the one I wanted to enter actually. Yeah, right here. There we go. All right. You broke it, so yeah, I can't do that. Beautiful run up, by the way. Beautiful run up. Beautiful run up on Tesla. So what my plan was essentially to take a put right here, right? And then once it passed, which I was a bit late on, and then my next one was essentially take a put right here. That's it. So beautiful run up for SPY for Tesla, of course, you guys can see. Very, very nice setup. Very, very beautiful run up. All right. SPY is now breaking above this level, so now we can go ahead and take a call for SPY between here and the VWAP. So here we go for a call now that it broke above it. Okay. Went ahead about a call for SPY between this level and this level. This is the level I was waiting for it to break. That's it. We're buying up to the VWAP. Okay. Tesla, gorgeously running. All right. Tesla's what? Just gorgeously running. Like it's fueled up. Probably a news or some sort. This kind of opening is quite astonishing, to be honest. What a beautiful run up here. So let's go ahead and activate this real quick and see where it's likely going to reverse. Probably right here. There's a wick right here. I'm just trying to predict where it will likely reverse. There is also a wick here. I'm just marking the spots. Let's see if it's going to go above this area. Wow. What a crazy run up. What a crazy run up for SPY, for Tesla. Okay, SPY is approaching this level. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cool some off for SPY. Our contract barely moved, by the way, for Tesla right now, on the call side. Tesla continuing its bull. Tesla destroying. Just, yeah. Any sellers just saying move. All right, here we go. There's also a spot right here. Go ahead and mark it. I'm trying to predict where it's like gonna reverse because this definitely needs to cool down. Now I'm willing to take a light put on Tesla at this level. Here we go. Let me take one light put. I took one light put for Tesla. Just because it reached that level. I want to see what's gonna happen. Just one. If it goes above that line, I'm out. There's a resistance at this line here. So I want to see. It's gonna blow right through it or it's gonna cool off from it. Okay. Yep, it looks like it wants to go right above it. And if it does, it's fine. We're gonna just get out. I'll just wanna just test that out, that level. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you guys can see Tesla here. There we go. I went ahead and placed the put right at this level. If it goes to this level, I'm out. That's it. Because I saw a seller's wick there. So if it goes above it, it's fine. I'm just gonna get out. That was just my tight stop loss there. And there we go. And it's going above it. It's going above it. Come on, see a wick. Before I sell, I'm waiting for it. And okay, now I'm out. There's no wick. Cool. Oh wow, now the wick is here. Nope. Still moving up. There's still more fuel. That's impressive for Tesla. Oh, that's right. There's a news actually. There is a news here. All right, now we're below that level. I'm gonna go ahead and get back in on the put. But yeah, there is a news of the the government stating that try to eliminate gas gas vehicles. That's over the weekend. So this is the run up. Oh wow, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so I decided to go back in once he went below this level. So here we go. So now this is my stop loss essentially. This zone right here. For as long as within this zone, it's fine. Okay. That makes sense why Tesla ran up like that. Seriously. Okay, so SPY, it's pretty dry today. There is no crazy mover for SPY at all. Right? There's really none right now for SPY. SPY is just taking its sweet time. Okay, now we're clearing that level. Here we go. Here we go. Right here is my stop loss right here. This above this wick here. 174.91. Wow. We're cleared that level again. Here we go. We're in the zone. I'm not gonna add any more, of course. I'm ready to sell, of course, as soon as it goes past above that line. Wow. Opened right up there. That's impressive. Here we go. And now we're out. We're out of Tesla. We broke that level. It's moving up again. That's fine. We're gonna wait if it comes back to this level and go. Oh wow, 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 wow. Here we go. Up, 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 up. All right, so Tesla SPY's looking good on the downside. It's broke down view up, so I gotta get out of SPY real quick and switch over. Tesla still in that zone. Got back in that zone again for Tesla. I want to just. I'm really tempted to continue my put again for Tesla here. Let me go ahead and place my put for SPY real quick because we're below the VWAP. And now finally SPY came back to that level. All right, cool. Now I finally came back to this level. Oh, I should have bought a call actually for SPY. Oops. That was a mistake for me to buy a put for SPY yet. Because remember that I said right here, this is a zone, upside zone. Exactly, yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is the level right now for put. All right, here we go. Here we go. It was definitely way too early to place a put for SPY. That's why I'm kind of waiting it out here. That's why I only had one in, by the way. Because remember, I'm trying to buy a call here, this level, right? And yeah, and because the price is above here, that's why I also bought a call. You know what I mean? So here we go. Okay. SPY is still kind of bullish right now because it's holding above this level. Overall, of course, you guys can see still bearish in the pre-market, of course, you know. Okay, Tesla's looking to go to the VWAP. Our contract's not moving well when it's on the put side, it looks like. Okay, here we go. I want to add a lot of more puts once we cross below here for SPY. Okay. Tesla's looking to go to this level here. Yeah, like I said, I want to add puts below this level for SPY. I'm on put for Tesla up to this zone right here. That's it. Okay. I'm going to the view up right now for Tesla, so I'm going to have to take one out very soon here. I'm going to go ahead and take one out. I cleared one out right now because we're just hovering on that view up. I'm going to keep this one up to the here. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one, see if how low we're gonna go. I'm gonna keep this one put for Tesla up to here, and that's it. Yep. This is expected, guys. This is this level, right? This is the level I was trying to buy. Yep. That's what SPY is doing right now. No, I'm not adding to my puts just yet. So here we go. This is a VWAP retest right now for Tesla's experiencing. I'm tempted to get out, but I want to see if it's gonna clear it. We did not see a quick reaction here at this VWAP. Like there's no like sudden long wick on the buyers yet. That's why I'm kind of willing to hold it a little bit. You know what I mean? I think it looks like sellers are still strong. All right, cool. SPY is now bullish a little bit. So I'm waiting for it to cross this level, then I'm out. Of course. Then I'll be waiting to go for the call that I was waiting for. Essentially, yeah. I'm gonna add just one more put for SPY. Just because there's still some level of struggle in trying to clear the VWAP. Just one more put. But once it clears this level, then I'm ready to go on the long side. I'm very tempted to get out of Tesla right now. Very, very tempted. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna get out of Tesla. Finally got the wig. Maybe it was perhaps too soon to get out. Okay, here we go. Let's go to SPY so we can get out of this position because it's right here. Now it's above the level, so I'm gonna go ahead and cool it off. Went ahead and took one off real quick. Okay, we open below this level, and we also open above the VWAP. So it's definitely still bullish, guys. Definitely still bullish. Oh yeah. Sellers had the last, oops, right here we go. Okay, I'm out. I'm gonna go on the long side, of course, for SPY. Yep, I should have just followed my plan and just buying the call here. I don't know why I didn't do that. That was ridiculous. And I know I soloed too early for Tesla. I really did. Um, I really did, yeah. I think we're gonna keep seeing more push down. Yep. Damn. By the way, it's likely gonna reverse back again here at this level. It's likely for sure. Let's go ahead and took one out. That makes sense. Probably did a refresh earlier. Yeah, this is a beautiful hold, guys. I knew it. Should have kept holding this one. Yeah, seriously knew that. Yep, I missed this. Yeah, and that's fine. Okay. Still seeing some struggle here with the SPY here, as you guys can see here. I'm gonna buy just one more here for SPY. If it goes below the VWAP, I'm out, of course. I decided to go ahead and add. Okay, we gotta push down again. Yep, Tesla's reacting to this level as expected. Here we go. Sellers are really pushing it down. Buyers managed to put the price all the way up here, and sellers pushed it right back down. So there's still some level of buyers here involved because of this run up here, right? This is what we're trading right here. For as long as this doesn't get nullified, we're going to continue holding on long. If price were to retrace below the VWAP, I'm going to go ahead and get out And I'm going to wait until we cross below here to get in for a put. Okay. Nice. This is very, very nice. This is now really, really strong. That SPY is slightly going to move above here. Right now, Tesla is struggling. Tesla is now struggling below this level, this VWAP here. So you can definitely place a put for Tesla and have it above the VWAP essentially. Like seriously, you can definitely do that, which I'm very tempted actually. Let's go to Tesla for a put, just like one put here, just one put below the VWAP. We're just about one put just below the VWAP above here. Literally, this is our risk for Tesla. Yeah, I really wish I didn't sell this, huh? Well, I can't keep saying that, bro. That was my plan to sell at the VWAP. I kind of anticipated this push down is going to continue, but still, though, I followed my plan. So I shouldn't really be saying that kind of stuff. Seriously. Kind of ridiculous. I need to keep saying that. Okay, it broke this level. Nice. Yeah, there's a wick right here, so we'll see what Tesla's doing. It could be possible that it just wants to go down a little bit to get more liquidity and then like run back up. Because this little, wick right here that occurred when the price came here. So, but at the same time, we're not seeing much wick here, so appears to be in my favor so far. But I'm still a little cautious. Still very, very cautious, yeah. Okay, it got some strength. Oof. The strength got beat down for a Tesla here. But they're getting some strength right now. Look at this. See this wick right here? They're getting some strength for sure. Needs to beat here. There's a struggle here. There's a struggle where buyers are trying to push here. Right here, there's a struggle. Right here, there's a struggle. Here we go. Who's gonna win? Yep, price is fighting that level. Buyers and sellers for Tesla right now, they're fighting this level. If we start to see a wick push back up above here, I'm just gonna get out. I think my stop loss for right now, I think I'm gonna just be cautious here for Tesla. I'm gonna keep it right here, above this wick. Yeah, just slightly above that wick. I'll just get out. So we'll see. Nice. Sellers broke it. Seller said, nah, bro, you good. Just gotta get through here. Tight. But but that's that. That's that. Where should we sell it? Should we sell this here or should we just take our money right now for Tesla? We appear to be really struggling this level. I'm tempted to just take my money for Tesla right now. Yeah, just really struggling there. It's fine. I'll just take my money. And part of the reason I'm taking the quick profit is because I'm coming from a deficit, like negative, you know what I mean? So it's kind of a bad mentally to be in, you know? Because you're not able to trade at your best. We have a break above here. That's nice. I got a question, guys. If the price were to move above here, are we gonna place a put? Right? Are we gonna place a put right here? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Be pretty bad though, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, we're really going against this. I prefer to place a put right here though, for sure, for sure. You know? Yeah. Wow, Tesla literally cleared that level. I would have liked to have been, 3 contracts in for SPY as I usually am, but we're fine, we're fine. Beautiful move up above here now. Now we're likely gonna see this move up to the above the high here. We will see. We will see what happens here. Very, very, very slow day. Absolutely slow. All right. Nice opening above here. We have a wick right here, but nice opening above here though. We're moving extremely slow. Tesla opened way below this level. It was gaining some strength here, but we decided to just take our money real quick. Yeah, yeah. And now sellers took over that level. Okay, so where is Tesla gonna likely reverse with this crazy opening of that news? I think right here. I think if Tesla were to come within this zone, I'm gonna buy a call. Right? I'm gonna what? Buy a call. Beautiful move up for SPY, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and get one out. It's kind of my level to get one out right now. Just gorgeous. I'm gonna just go ahead and enjoy this. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. What a run up. I think it's likely gonna go up here. We basically cleared our 100 and some dollars loss. This is how I like to trade. I actually like trading like this. I'm calm, I'm collected, I'm not like over trading, I'm not oversizing the position. I know what I'm comfortable with, what the size wise, you know, like the amount of I'm gonna put in. And once you know that number, that's very good. All right, cool. We just went ahead and so now we're gonna see this level. We're gonna see if we can take a put right here. I'll prefer to take a put right here. We did miss out a lot on this rundown here. I'm glad that I spotted this. I wanted to place a put. Nice, beautiful rundown we had. We enjoyed it and we took a profit. But I knew that's gonna likely continue going down. You know, that's dope. That's dope. You know, and that's fine. That's fine. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I want to see how the price gonna react to this level right here. That's what I'm curious on. I want to place a put right here. Again, ideally, I want to place a lot more puts here. And for Tesla, I want to see a reversal here. I want to see how it's gonna react to here. Right now, it's currently above these levels, right? This is the pre-market high here. This right here. I want to see how that will react over there. Right? Here we go. Now we can go ahead and get rid of these markings here. Those are just our okay. No, seriously, I have no idea why I did not trade a Tesla. Here, the pre-market high. Of course, it's gonna be a reaction. Should have had one call, at least one call. But if he breaks it, I'm gonna trade it. If he breaks it, I'm gonna trade it on the put side. That's essentially what we're gonna be doing. Should we buy one call right now for Tesla? Right now is all right. We got still some time here for to see a react. Okay, so this is it's already got the wick here already, huh? For SPY. Right, before we even reach that level, we already see a reaction. All right, that's fine. I'm tempted to get just one call here. One call on the pre-market high at this level. Right, this level right here. Look at this. Just one. Have a tight stop loss right below it, huh? Nah, I don't want to do it. I want to see it close, see what happens. Yeah, price really reached up right here and just had to turn around. It didn't reach up this level. And that's all right. We're gonna wait patiently. Yeah, this is the pre-market high. Yeah, I missed this one, guys. Damn. Yeah, wow. Yeah, buyers really stepped in right here. All right. Now it's just a waiting game. That's it. That is it. Okay. We have a wick right here where indicating that, buyers are holding, making an attempt to hold the pre-market high for Tesla, this level. And as for SPY, as you guys can see, SPY buyers are trying to hold this run up here. They're trying to hold this level. That's essentially what's going on for SPY. And we're kind of waiting patiently to take a put here, but ideally right here. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I think if the price were to come back up to this level, I'll take one put. You know, based on this wick here. But we'll see. They managed to close right here, though. All right. Let's take a look at the 30-minute because this is quite bullish right now. I mean, this is still nice. Let's take a look at the 30 minutes for this one. Beautiful run up. Look at that. Maybe perhaps I shouldn't take a place to put here. I should probably wait here, huh? Probably should do that. I'm willing to, get in very lightly here. I'm willing to, yeah. This is the 30 minutes. It's not really much of a reaction here. Oh, that actually is right here. All right. All right, here we go. It's moving up really nicely to that spot again. There we go. Let's go to the 10-minute real quick. Let's go to SPY. Let's just take one put at this level. All right, we took a one put at this level. We'll see, we'll see. It's likely gonna break it. It's likely gonna break it for sure. Based on all this stuff, it's likely gonna break it. No doubt, I don't doubt that. But I want to see it, though. I want to see this through. That's it. If he doesn't break it, I'm willing to hold us all the way back down to this level. This one contract is fine. But if he breaks it, great. I'm gonna place a put right here. My normal sizing right here. Now the question comes down to, am I just taking this just because of, a trade here? It's because this is a wick? Unfortunately, yes. All right, I'm behind it with y'all. I'm primarily taking this trade. Obviously, there's a lot of factors in my favor, hence why I only put one contract, but I just want to see if it's really going to break this level. Because I've seen this many times, this kind of, indecision candle like this. It's usually, you know, pretty high pressure area. The price usually reverses there or goes up there. So usually I've noticed that. So I'm banking on it. Of course, with less confidence, I only have just one contract in place. That's it. Outside of this zone, I'm out. Then I'm gonna wait for it to come back this level here. That's it. Oh, just like that is reacting. Just like that is reacting. Here we go. Here we go. There was still no reason for me to have added just one though. Could have had at least three. It's fine. I'm holding a tight stop loss. I'll just hold a tight stop loss right here. But again, I had a plan in mind. I was being extra cautious. That's why I only had just one. That was the decision behind that. So just because now going on your side, you want to start to say, I wish I had more of this, more of that. It's just emotion talking. That's it. Just let that aside. And then you enjoy your day. Okay? If we were to go below this level, sure, I'll take one more put and have a tight stop loss above this candle. That's what I'll do. Tesla reacted to this spot. Told you. Just pay attention to the candles. That's it. Pay attention to the candles. Yeah, yeah. I'm tempted to take a put right now for Tesla, but it's not my strategy right now. So we're not gonna do it. Here we go. Can we still take a light put here for Tesla? Just like literally just like one put just above here. I'm so tempted right now at this point how weak it is. Let me just do it. Literally, I just did it. For no reason at all. Alright, I'm gonna just hold it above this line. Tesla's just weakening right now. Literally, that's our stop loss for Tesla. Basically. This right here is our stop loss for Tesla. What did I say for SPY, right? That is our stop loss right here for Tesla. Look at this wick right here. Seller said, nah. Right? So here we go. Here we go. That's our stop loss for Tesla, guys. At this point, how weak it is. I think Tesla might break the pre-market high. I think Tesla might break the pre-market high. Should we just hold this position? At this point, I mean, If anything goes crazy, we're gonna end the day probably with a 30 bucks loss. You know what I'm saying? Let me just risk that, bro. I think we're gonna break the pre-market low. Sorry, the pre-market high, this level here. Based on this and this level of rejection here, at this level, not even getting to the VWAP, yeah, I think it's pretty weak, right? At this point, it's not about the money. I just wanted to see if I can hold this through. Just like that, as I said, this level, exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. Just like that. We're going to the VWAP right now, so I do gotta essentially sell, of course. Tesla, I'm just holding, bro. I'm just holding Tesla at this point. I think we're gonna break the pre-market high. SPY, I want to see this one contract, see if this were to go below it, I'll add more. Tight stop loss above here. Other than that, that's it. Right now, Tesla's not about making money right now. I just want to see if we're gonna break here. Of course, we're gonna also make money as a result of that. But we'll see what happens. Okay, we had this wick earlier. See if we're gonna have the same wick. If we were to break, it's gonna even have more reaction because this is the pre-market high. So we'll see what happens. We're likely gonna see a push up. Let's not focus on the money right now. And I'm happy about that. I don't have to focus on the money because when you do that, you kind of become a good trader, to be honest. You know, earlier, I know I didn't need to sell all this because I was in a negative. I was trying to like recoup the negative out of the way first. And so that's a mental block that occurs. So this is expected, guys. If I was focusing on the money, I would have been like, oh, I want to take my profit right now. Because I'm not right now, it's fine. My stop loss right here, my risk is 30 bucks, and I'm done for the day. Could I have sold it here? Sure. Probably would have been a better idea. Yeah, just because, you know. But at this point, I just wanted just to check it out really. We're gonna break here. Based on how weak it is. So right now, Tesla, SPY broke below this level, rejecting here. So I can add one more to SPY right now. Just because I just added just one for SPY. I think our stop loss for SPY now. I mean, SPY is still bullish, guys. I don't even know why I even added it. Oh, what the heck? It went to this VWAP. I was supposed to sell here. Oops. Oops. All right, let's just call it here, guys. Right here. This is our stop loss for SPY. No one told me? You guys should have told me here that SPY went to the VWAP. That was literally my plan to sell there, right? Because why would you go against this bullish trend up here? So yeah, I'm gonna just get out of SPY here very soon because it's approaching that level. Yeah, I knew it, guys. I don't know why I did it. Yeah, that was ridiculous. I should have paid attention better. That was ridiculous of me not. That was ridiculous. That was absolutely ridiculous. I should have paid attention as I was going to the VWAP. That was my plan to sell. All right, we're fine though. We're fine. We're fine. All right. At this point, we're just gonna just sit back, relax, and just observe. You know, Tesla. Really, that's what it comes down to. That's it. We're not seeing any more wick right now, so we're likely to be breaking the pre-market high. I was right on this. So with that all said, congratulations, HRT. All right, you get a brownie. There, I said it. All right. Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah. Do you think Tesla's gonna break it? Oof, the pre-market high? Very hard question, man. That's a tough one. We'll see what happens, you know? Right now, buyers are still holding it. They're really still holding it right now. You know? You can see a little wick right here. But sellers are quite dominating. They're saying, still more push down before we give up. Here we go. Okay. If I had two contracts in when I bought it here, I would have sold one here. And if we were to break it, my new stop loss would be right here. I'd be moving it in, you know, moving it in slowly. So I'm just trying to see how well it's gonna, where it's likely gonna go to. Here's this right here, this reversal right here. All right, we're really holding here, guys. Gotta be careful. I'm tempted just to take my W and call it a day. All eyes on Tesla right now. If we get a break, it's gonna be so sweet. Literally. Yeah, but don't be dependent on one particular outcome happening because you have no control. When you have control of something, then sure you can depend on one outcome because you can, you know, make effort to ensure that whatever you can control. But with trading, because it's probability, you know what I mean? At that point, it's just bad. All right, here we go. We broke it. I would like to sell right now, to be honest, because I don't want to go against this level. You know, but we did broke it. That's beautiful. That's awesome. It's extremely awesome, yeah. Should we just call our profit right now? Call it a day and end the day? You know? Why did I just called it? Oops. Not even, that was the wrong one. Should I sell it? I'm gonna sell it. Call it. Yeah, I decided just to call it. I just don't want to go against this one. I wish I had more in place, you know what I mean? Despite me doing this, you know, for fun, I still gotta respect certain levels. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta respect certain levels, you know? And I knew that this was likely gonna happen, so that's why I got out. But here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, let's focus on SPY for a little bit. Okay, SPY crossed below this level. That's beautiful. So we could definitely take a light put on SPY. Pretty dangerous to take a put, though, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, that kind of rhymed. All right, I think we're gonna call it a day for trading, guys. I think we're gonna call it a day. I know when I reach my level of, you know, sweet spot that I can continue trading. Anything outside of it, I don't want to do that. I know myself. It's important to know yourself when you're trading, because trading is not no game. So I appreciate you all joining for this for the channel today for today's trading. Today is very mellow, as you guys can see, but I think our performance was pretty well. I think we did very good. You know, I'm pretty excited. You know, very satisfied in the way I traded today. And that's essentially my goal. You know, it's not about, like I said in my previous video, right? It's not about making the money. It's the process of making the money. That's my focus. The process of making the money, right? And right now, mentally, I've reached that level. I can say, you know what, maybe not yet. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and step away. Just take this W and call it and put it in the bank, and go to the next day. End the next day with the green. All right. So appreciate you all for joining the channel. I apologize, business traveler. I didn't get a chance to read your comment to take a look at the BTC for you. No worries, for sure next time. And there we go. And also, lastly, the previous video I'm gonna have to re-upload it because there was a little technical issue. And the title of the video is three phases of a trader, right? Three phases of a day trader. So take a look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and re-upload it, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Put a like on it, and I appreciate you all for subscribing to the channel. All right. So with that all said, HRT out. Another day.